Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the all-new 2024 Dacia Duster. This is the third generation of Dacia's popular subcompact SUV, and it's shaping up to be the best one yet. Exterior. On the outside, the new Duster gets a more modern and rugged look. It features a new grille, headlights, and taillights, as well as new bumpers and skid plates. The Duster is also available in a new range of colors, including some more vibrant options. Interior. The interior of the new Duster has also been given a major overhaul. It now features a more modern and upscaled design, with new materials and finishes. The Duster also gets a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen display, as well as a new digital instrument cluster. Performance. Under the hood, the new Duster is powered by a range of efficient and powerful engines. There's a new 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 130 horsepower and 162 pounds-feet of torque. There's also a new 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that produces 100 horsepower and 100 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are available with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Features. The new Duster comes standard with a variety of features, including a multi-function steering wheel, air conditioning, and power windows. It's also available with a variety of optional features, such as a panoramic sunroof, a heated steering wheel, and a heated windshield. Pricing. The 2024 Dacia Duster is expected to start at around $18,000. This makes it one of the most affordable SUVs on the market. The all-new 2024 Dacia Duster is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable, and stylish SUV. It offers a spacious interior, a variety of features, and a comfortable ride. If you're looking for a new SUV, be sure to check out the 2024 Dacia Duster. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content.